hear that you have formed a foundation for children, not only for Swaziland, but you are prepared to spread that to other countries on this continent. I welcome that very much indeed. Please continue, and I stand ready to work with you.